When, from this evening to tomorrow morning. Impacts, at 17.6 feet, the Ventura River begins to flood the Ventura Beach RV Resort and agricultural areas upstream of the Main Street Bridge in Ventura. Additional details, at 8:40 p.m. Pacific Standard Time Friday the stage was 17.3 feet. Forecast, the river will rise above flood stage late this evening to 18.0 feet just after midnight tonight. It will then fall below flood stage tomorrow morning to 11.1 feet early Monday afternoon. It will rise to 13.0 feet Tuesday morning. It will then fall again and remain below flood stage. Flood stage is 17.6 feet. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 18.2 feet on January 5th, 2023. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. State Park, Newberry Park. Here's the latest weather synopsis.